One government official has weighed in on the likely impact of the projected decline in tourism arrivals on the country's economy in the coming months. Earlier this week, the Dominican Republic authorized the arrival of 800 new flights. This is to accommodate a surge in tourists who were originally planning to vacation in Jamaica and other nearby islands, but were rerouted following the devastation of Hurricane Melissa. In an interview with TVJ News on Friday, State Minister in the Ministry of Industry, Investment and Commerce, Delano Seavright, admitted several sectors will be severely impacted.
In the coming days, weeks and months is declining income streams into multiple businesses, large businesses, medium-sized businesses, and importantly, micro and small enterprises that make up over 80% of business activity in our country. For all Jamaicans who are concerned, this is expected. Jamaica will bounce back, and we're going to bounce back fast, and we're going to bounce back better than before. We just need to stay focused. We all need to get serious about what we're doing. We need to get businesses back up and running.
Minister Seavright says the government continues to work with utility companies to restore services to affected areas, and support is also being given to businesses.
Once we can get all our utilities back online as quickly as possible, this will allow players across the board, whether in industry, investment, and the subsectors of tourism and so on, to get moving again. And we also have focused a lot of effort. The Ministry of Industry, Investment and Commerce is focusing a lot of effort on ensuring that small businesses get back to life, and we're even getting directly involved in getting some of these small businesses back up and running.